how to connect or pair to a Bluetooth device on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Now, either you're wanting to connect to a pair of headphones, earbuds, or keyboard, or a wireless mouse, you can do so from the Bluetooth settings. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on connections. In here, tap on Bluetooth, and then tap on Bluetooth at the top to make sure it is turned on. So tap on the Bluetooth toggle button to switch it on. Then we go down to the available devices and tap on the device that you want to pair. So here, I have my Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. Make sure it is open and make sure it is turned on in discoverable mode. Once it is in discoverable mode on your device, you can tap on it to pair and then tap on the pair button. And now we are waiting for the two to pair. Once it is paired, you can see it will perform a number of things. If the phone requires to have a new software, it will automatically download and update the software for that particular Bluetooth device. Here I will let it finished and then just going to tap on continue and allow. Okay, so that's done for this connection. Another one is say my other device is a MacBook Pro. I can try to pair with it. If it's not turning on or if it's not in discover mode, then you won't be able to connect. So make sure it is turned on and in discoverable mode, otherwise you cannot connect. And finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.